We all love a breezy, refreshing kurta set, don't we? Well, ये जो next trend है वो आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आएगा. It's the pastel baby pink kurta set. Our favorite Bollywood actresses cannot get enough of this trend and we have proof. तो चलिए, let's take a look. The beautiful Katrina Kaif को हमने recently spot किया था at the airport. Katrina donned a simple yet elegant baby pink kurta with palazzo, जो उन्होंने style किया था with a matching floral dupatta. The newly married Alia Bhatt is next on our list. Alia को हमने airport पे spot किया था जहां उन्होंने पहना था एक baby pink anarkali suit with a matching dupatta. She styled her look with brushed open hair, drop earrings and juttis. Nora was jet-setting out of the city and उन्होंने पहना था एक royal baby pink kurta set with embroidery work on it in white. Nora ने अपना look simple रखा था with side-parted open hair, white juttis and stud earrings. Perfect for the weather and looks so elegant. Whose baby pink kurta set would you love to try?